I am Jean-Marie Lenoir. I am a teacher in anatomy and equine lameness at CIRHAL in Normandy. CIRHAL is a center of imaging and research on locomotor problems in horses in Normandy. This center is specialized in the diagnosis and management of lameness. I am also president of ICELP, the International Society of Equine Locomotor Pathology, created in the States in 2006. And this society provides courses for equine practitioners in order to improve their skill in lameness diagnosis and management, and performance diagnosis too, and mainly using imaging technique and especially ultrasonography. I was invited by Dr. Kent Allen in order to contribute to the vet staff and do imaging and lameness here at the WEG. And this is a unique opportunity for me to see acute cases, because in my current practice I do mainly referred cases, so when we deal with referred cases we rarely have the opportunity to look at the very acute situation. So here the interesting part of my job is to look at horses with very recent lameness induced by trauma or competition, high level stress during competition. And it's very interesting for me to contribute that. And I am lucky to work with a very interesting and staff of colleagues from the States and students who helped me in my practice here. We had traumatic injury and exercise-related injuries. So as traumatic injury, we had my first case here was a pelvic fracture on an endurance horse who fell in the box and had a complete ilium fracture with a displacement and a big hematoma. And again, it was a very unique opportunity for me to see a very acute fracture. And usually I do not see that in my center. And the second case was very interesting. It was a complete rupture of the subtendinosus muscle between the muscle body and the tendon on the hind leg of a reining horse, a reining quarter horse, and there was a muscle retraction because of the complete rupture, and again a big hematoma between the muscle body and the tendon. And it was very interesting to see that this horse was very painful at the first examination and improved very quickly in 24 hours. And as far as sport exercise related injury, we had of course a tendon injury, bone stress, trauma inducing lameness, especially in endurance riding. We were at the endurance competition yesterday, so we checked the horses after the veterinary check, and lame horses came to us in order to know what was the cause of the elimination, and we have seen tendon problems and bone stress on endurance horses. Endurance is incredible. It's an incredible discipline. It's very difficult for horses, and the ground surface yesterday was quite firm. So I think that for the distal legs of horses it was quite difficult to run, galloping mainly 100 miles on this quite firm surface. But luckily the weather was good yesterday for them. And I like 3D eventing because it's a very also a stressful discipline for horses, and I like horses that are able and courageous enough to do this type of exercise, jumping very difficult fences during long distances. I'm lucky to have a nice group of students here who are very happy to contribute to the examination and happy to learn. And as I am a teacher, I like to teach, so everything goes well with them.